Hello, my name is Jean-Benoît Ozon. I am product specialist for Massey Ferguson. We are here today to introduce the MF5700M series. With this new and straightforward range, Massey Ferguson offers a highly modern, high-performance, heavy-duty tractor that delivers exceptional efficiency for every type of farmer. Manufactured in the state-of-the-art factories, the MF5700M has a new yet straightforward design, efficient driveline and high level of comfort. The MF5700M is designed to deliver exceptional value for money to any sector while providing uncompromising performance. Continuing on with the introduction of the new numbering, the 5 stands for the tractor range, the M for the medium specification models, 7 is the generation, and the last 2 digits stand for the horsepower divided by 10. The MF5700M has 5 models from 95 horsepower to 135 horsepower. The MF5700M brings modern features such as brake-to-neutral, rear electronic linkage, and a high visibility roof. Let us introduce you to this exciting new series. The MF5700M is fitted with the EcoPower 4-cylinder engine with 4.4-liter capacity. Stage 5 emission level is achieved thanks to the upgraded aftertreatment system located on the right-hand side, the World Renew and Award-winning Massey Ferguson All-in-One, which includes DOC, soot catalyst and SCR. This smart engine aftertreatment installation provides the best front visibility, courtesy of a slimline exhaust and no component hindering the visibility, as the aftertreatment system sits under the cab and not under the bonnet. The engine used in MF5700M series tractor are all of a long stroke design that provides high level of torque across a broad speed range. Maximum torque is achieved at low engine speed of 1500 rpm on the MF5700M series. This is not only lower fuel consumption, but also reduced noise and wear, which result in reducing running costs and a more pleasant operator experience. This MF5700M comes with a choice of efficient 12x12 or Dyna4 transmission. As standard, the MF5700M tractors are available with a modern and highly efficient synchronized 12x12 transmission. Easy to use, it provides a total of 12-speed forward and 12-speed reverse in 2 ranges. 6 gears are available within the 4 to 12 kph typical fieldwork range. The 12x12 transmission allows maximum speed of 40 kph. Gear lever close to hand and within easy reach of the operator enhance driving comfort and are nicely located so they don't impede access to the cab. The power shuttle provides clutchless operation controls of forward-reverse shift. Moreover, the easy shift button on the gear lever can also be used to shift gear. Super Creeper option is available to reduce speed down to 100 meters per hour for work that require slow and precise control. The Dyna4 transmission, available on MF5700M to MF5711M, deliver productivity, controls and convenience, with completely clutchless shifting of 16 forward and 16 reverse speed. Renowned for its outstanding reliability, with smooth and effortless operation, it provides completely clutchless control via the left-hand power control lever or the T lever on the right-hand console. The auto drive option changes gear automatically according to the engine load. Also comes with brake-to-neutral that activates the clutch as soon as the brakes are applied, Thanks to this feature, the operator can focus on the job rather than operation, while increasing efficiency and convenience, particularly useful for loader operation. In the 95-135 horsepower segment, farmers are looking for ease of use and comfort for daily work such as taking care of animals and crops. In a lot of applications, the tractor will be equipped with a front loader. The new MF 5700M series can be specified fully equipped with Massey Ferguson loader, the MF FLX or the MF FL series loader. Your tractor will come complete from the factory, with the loader which forms an integral part of the machine, and it's designed to deliver maximum maneuverability and easy maintenance access. The Power Shuttle comes with comfort control that allows operator to set how it responds, slow and smooth, or fast and efficient. It's with your own choice. Operators value the Visio Roof option, which provides perfect visibility when stacking bales or loading trailer. The glass panel includes a sun blind that can be closed or slide open into the roof. The glass panel also has a level of sun protection that helps keep operator cool in all conditions. The roof is fully FOPS, Falling Object Protection, compliant, and this ensures complete safety of the operator, preventing arms from falling objects. Designed from the outset with an emphasis on comfort and ease of use, the MF 5700M series tractors make hard work a pleasure. Grab rails mounted on the large opening doors provide easy access up the step and through the wide opening doors. A completely flat floor creates the most accessible and spacious operator environment in this sector of the market, with a pillar-to-pillar width of 1.3 meters. Once seated, an ergonomically designed layout ensures ease of use with straightforward operation from features seldom found in this size or type of tractor. With its modern design, the MF 5700Ms provide high level of control and automation with electro-hydraulic activation of the D-Flock and four-wheel drive. The key to efficient and effective operation is to select a tractor that can easily handle modern equipment and is able to operate them at their full potential within a wide range of agricultural applications. There is no limit to the range of powered equipment that can be put to work behind the MF 5700M series tractor. A straightforward open center hydraulic system is powered by two gear pumps. One provides 32 liters per minute to all the internal services, while another one delivers 58 liters per minute to enable the electronically controlled rear linkage to lift heavy implements. Optionally, at the press of a button, the MF 5700M series can deliver 100 liters per minute, making the higher flow rate available to provide extra speed and power for loader operations. The 100 liters per minute flow is exclusively for auxiliary hydraulic function and is also available through the two standard auxiliary spool valves to operate implement hydraulic function, with a third spool valve being available as an option to power more demanding implement if required. The MF 5700M series rear linkage is specifically optimized for the tractor size, boasting an impressive lift capacity of 4.3 tons on the MF 5709Ms, MF 5710Ms on the MF 5711Ms models, and 5.2 tons on the MF 5712M and the MF 5713Ms models. It lifts and handles heavy mount equipment with ease. ELC provides precise and responsive control of drive function to accurately maintain the working depth for soil engaging implements, as well as the position of other mounted implements. Electronic controls react immediately and accurately, responding quickly to maintain maximum traction at all times, minimizing wheel slip and fuel consumption. External linkage controls and fender facilitate implement installation on the tractor. Front linkage is available for all MF5700M's Dynafor tractors. This output-enhancing option substantially boosts productivity across a range of work. Equipped with suspension as standard for improved comfort, it can also be set in 3 different positions: fixed, float, and transport. To conclude, the MF5700Ms offer a complete focus on your working days and the needs of your business by utilizing superior features, performance and versatility, exceptional value for money, ease of use, and straightforward for the best driving experience. This versatile tractor will be your best asset on the farm in the dairy and mixed farm segment, as well as providing the best performances in the field. Equipped with front linkage or front loader, it will handle the task with ease, providing the best driving comfort for the operator, whatever the applications. This makes the MF5700Ms your most valuable workhorse, whatever the application.